Hello and welcome to AttributePro. With AttributePro line item properties, you can customize any properties of any of your items and show it directly in the cart to make some special offer or motivate your customer or any need you will have. During this video, I will guide you through the configuration of your first line item properties, so let's jump into it. Let's say that we want to give properties to some product when, for example, the cart is greater than a certain amount. From the dashboard, we move to the top and click here on Add Attribute. As you can see, there are two options, one for the cart attribute and one for line item properties. For this tutorial, we will choose Add Line Item Properties. First, fill the title of the attribute. It's to help us to remember what this attribute does. It's not visible to the customers, and it's only for internal use. For example, organic big order. In the condition field, you can choose from the drop-down menu what is the condition that fits better for your scope. In our example, we choose cart total. Now we define with more detail what the function needs to verify. In our example, we decide that the cart has to be greater than 200. Now we choose the product we want to affect with this rule, and we can use the drop-down menu that will show our product, and we can select one or more products. For this tutorial, I choose Organic Cotton T-shirt, large. Finally, let's set the attribute. For me will be Organic Best Offer, and here I'll put Active. On top, click the button Save Send. You have just created your first line item properties. When you go back on the dashboard, here it is. You can see the rule in the list and already active. Now we need Contested on our store. Open your store and try, for example, to add the product or products you selected in your rule to the cart. In my example, this is the t-shirt I chose and this is the size, but I need more of it to create an order with the amount over 200. As you can see, the total amount is over 200. I can refresh the page, and here it goes. The line item property appears exactly as I wrote it, and it still appears even in the checkout. But if I make the order under the 200 and refresh the page, the line item will disappear as for the rule we created. Unleash the potential of your store with AttributePro Cart and Line Props. Transform customization effortlessly with captivating cart attributes and line properties. No coding needed. Remember to activate your 7-day free trial today to witness the full power of this app. Don't wait. Install AttributePro now and revolutionize your online shopping experience.